gonna nail it into the ceiling. I don't know if you're supposed to put nails on the ceiling or not. I've been having this itch lately, and not like that. I've been having an itch to like redo my room a little revamp, like the wall stuff and just like whatever else, just to get some good feng shui in here because I don't know. I have not touched this since I moved in about 4 years ago. So I'm just gonna give you a little mini room tour. This is what you see before you come into my room. Then when you walk in, this is what you see. She's cute, she's cute. She's very pink. I feel like this corner over here needs a lot of help. With this stuff on these walls, I just feel like there's no rhyme, no reason. So she could benefit from some rhyme and reason. This also is quite lackluster. I'm not even sure what to do with this. It looks kind of like ass. And then here's my bar cart with my plants and my Hello Kitty and all of that. On the doors, I have all these little hearts. I thought that was like, I don't know, kind of cute, kind of fun. In this corner and this corner, I have these little things from Daiso. This painting is not moving because she's perfect where she is. I do love these walls. I'm kind of tempted to leave all of this one here, but this wall, it's so random. I got a few things. Okay, not much. This cork board, bulletin board thing. I'm deciding to bring it back unless someone else has already brought it back, okay? Which could very well be. I want to decorate this and put this somewhere. I don't know where. I thrifted that and then I thrifted this. It's me and then it's my boyfriend. It's so cute. And it's like, if that means anything to you. But I like that it looks like a little picture frame. And then from Daiso, I picked up 2 wire racks. Here are 3 little containers for it. I figured this could help me organize my desk as well because there's kind of a lot going on there. Okay. Oh. I need to get a magic eraser. Used a hammer to put these thumbtacks into the wall. So they're really in there. If you haven't been watching my channel for like 3 years, shame on you. I used to have an L-shaped desk here. So that's why there was stuff on this wall because it made sense with my L-shaped desk, okay? I like this much more. It's much more compact. I think we should get to making the bulletin board. Oh, that would be so cute. I was thinking I want to line the edges of this with some fabric. This is a massive fabric wheel that my best friend got me. Oh, that's so beautiful. Oh my God. And then I kind of want to do a different kind on the side here. I'll do this. This is cute, I hope. I cannot lie to you, this is so cute. I think I want to do this up and down rather than side to side. I cried. This is so cute. I'm not entirely sure where I want this. Maybe in the middle of the wall, but I still have to find a place for these 2 racks. Ooh, this could be kind of fun. Ooh, I kind of like this more. I am a little bit scared to put a screw in the wall. If my landlord saw this, he would be like, wow, thank you for making this house a home. So it's fine. I need to find like a screwdriver or something, I guess. Yeah. I should move my desk. That's why I'm like against the wall, but I don't, that's like a lot of work. Oh my God. I need a moment to myself. I did it, but I fear that I did it a bit too low. The thing about that is it's gonna stay like that because I just made a massive hole in the wall. Not massive, okay? It's average. And now I'm just gonna try to make this even. I wish I had a hand drill, but it's fine. Oh my God. She looks so cute. God, does this look weird? Whatever. I don't care. And then this one like up here. I feel like I should have made that one higher and then this one lower. It's fine. Nothing's funny also, okay? Nothing's funny. Nothing's funny. Yeah, probably like here. I don't want it to be too big of a difference. Wow. Okay. Okay. We are definitely not even, but that's okay because I think when I like put stuff on here, I think it'll be good. Okay, this desk is full. My finger. My grand fun idea for this is obviously like hook some baskets on it. That's cute, right? So what about this one? Okay, thank you for asking. Thank you for asking. I saw this thing on Pinterest where you hang up all of your little charms on it. I don't know what these are called. Okay, she's kind of cute. I should probably take off the tags on these. Okay, she's cute. But now I gotta figure out what to do with all of this space. I'm not exactly sure where to put this. I was considering putting it on this wall, but I think I would love it on this one. And also I could put these shelves up on this wall if I really wanted to, but we gotta deal with like one thing at a time. I don't want it to be steps, so I'm gonna fill this space with other things, I think. I think this is good. And look what I found in my living room. An assortment of nails. I'll use this because it's like a little thicker. Who cares? Girl, why am I acting like I'm showing like, and then I'm gonna use this lip product. No. I think I said about here. I can't remember. Oh my God. Oh my God, it's happening. Oh my God. This looks so effing cute. But like I said, I don't like the stepping. So then I'm like, maybe I'll put this here. I don't know, is that too low? Do I do it down here? But then is it too like clustered over here? That's kind of cute. I don't know, is this like low for a shelf? This would be kind of cute. Also, I still have the teddy bear thing to put up. Oh God. Okay, maybe this here. This is looking cute so far. I am so excited about this because I have been pushing this off for months. Those little wire things on the wall, that's just been sitting under my bed for a year. Like, do I put it here? But then I kind of like bringing it out. But is this like too low? Is this odd? But then I feel like I need something to balance it. Is everything a little too low? But then now I feel like I need something here. Okay. I'm thinking. I will put the bear picture like here and then just kind of build around the bulletin board. So cute, it's so cute. It's cute, she's cute, but I feel like I definitely need something here to balance out this. I'll be back. I'm going to take one of my pieces of artwork that I made off the wall downstairs and bringing her right back up here. Here is this very beautiful painting I made of Maui. Maybe here, this kind of restores some balance. I'm doing it, I don't care. It is like kind of odd that like over here there's nothing on the wall, but what am I supposed to do? This door is like usually open anyways. So when it's like that, yeah, it makes sense. On to the next. I actually decided to put this Barcelona postcard up here because the white edge around this goes really well with the white edge around the painting I made. And my friend Kira sent this to me from Barcelona. So sweet, love her. Ugh. Perfect. Okay, she's a little uneven, but everything on the wall is, okay, God. As I said earlier, I kind of love this wall already, but this painting I made in college, I put this little Kirby on it that my roommate got me from Japan. It was here. I think the wind blew too hard and it fell off, but I'll put it back up because I think it's so cute and it really blends in with all of this. My college roommates and I would do like paint nights, just like an artsy bunch. Reminds me of them, so I love keeping this on my wall. Even though it's painted on cardboard, girl, I don't care. So now I just want to redo my desk a little bit because it looks a little bit messy. And also I want to put some of my pens on here and stuff. So let's do that. All of those will go on the wire rack. These are my old bullet journals, my old journal, remote, oh my God, my Skibbity toilet cards. Oh my God, I've put a lot in here. I would prefer to just keep out here the things that I regularly use. And these away. Why? Oh my god, it's cute, it's cute. Okay, I think this is all done. So we're switching gears from this side of the room to this side of the room. I have these 3 little cute pink mushrooms that I was going to put on here, but I realized this is pretty full. This is looking quite lackluster. So I felt like we could take these mushrooms, this succulent, my Pride and Prejudice book, and perhaps do something with this over here. This, maybe something. I wish I had some differing heights on here to give some more interest, but this will do for now. Okay, I think we only have one more thing left to do. So randomly, my roommate like put these on my desk and he was like, I have a gift for you. Don't know where these came from. Don't know why he gave them to me, but I'm very happy. It came with instructions. So it's like a fan that opens up into a big ball. I already have these little circle fans. I'm leaving them up there, but I was thinking in the 2 corners of the room that I don't have anything. I don't know, it's just kind of laying over there. The walls that are all decked out, they'll get this one. The other corner, I'll put these 2. Okay, hear me out. It would be kind of fun to like have it like this. We'll see, we'll see. I'm thinking like, do I hang this one up in the corner and then have this like, girl, I don't know. I can't describe it to you because I don't really understand what I want. I'm just gonna nail it into the ceiling. I don't know if you're supposed to put nails on the ceiling or not. Should I use tape? She looks, she doesn't know. God, why? This might look a little ugly, dare I say. This might be kind of fun. Does it look like ass? Oh god, I think it does. I completely shortened the orange ones and I feel like it still doesn't look great. Also, I know it's about to fall off. I can hear it unsticking. But I was thinking like, should I just have them kind of like cascading down the wall, whatever that looks like, but like have all of them half then like, I was on google.com trying to look at ways to hang something to make it look good. The thing is I cannot do like a weird shape because then it'll look like Mickey Mouse and I cannot have a Mickey Mouse. So I think maybe I'll put this here to have it like, ooh, like I said, cascading. I think so. I think that's the best option. If anything, I'll just tear it down. Okay, she's fun. Does this look tacky? I'm leaving it. I don't care. I care a lot. I don't know. Okay. I think she's finally done. So I'm going to give you a tour once again so that we can see everything that was done. I don't know. I feel like I'm so happy with this, but this side I'm like, it's kind of fun. I'll leave it for a few days. And if I hate it, I'll just take it down and that is what it is. Okay, tour time. Well, there she is. I wish this was off center, but whenever I hit the wall, I can hear stuff fall like behind it. And I just, not today at least, okay? Let me know if there's any suggestions you have. If you love something I did, hate something I did, have better ideas, because I am truly open to it. Clearly I need a little bit of help. My room feels the same, but it feels new. And I love the color in it. I used to stick to like the beige, earthy tones, but now I'm like, girl, let's get some color in here. Life is too short. I'm gonna put pink puff on the wall and whatever. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this and I will see you next time. Bye!